call me Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom. Yes, sir, I'm Cuban Pete. I'm the craze of my native street. When I start to dance, everything goes chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom. The senoritas, they sing and how they swing with their rompero. It's very nice, so full of spice. And when they're dancing, they bring a happy ring to that vaquero, singing a song all the day long. So if you like the beat, take a lesson from Cuban Pete, and I'll teach you to chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom.
He's a really modest guy, although he's the hottest guy in Havana, in Havana.
See, senorita, I know that you would like a chicky boom chick. It's very nice, so full of spice. I place my hand on your hip, and if you will just give me your hand, that we shall try, just you and I. If you like the beat, take a lesson from Cuban Pete, and I'll teach you to chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom.
What's the matter with that guy today? I did it with you, but you move up. I'm the desk in there to do that. Oh, mother, got to the body. Hit that, jump, shake, move it, and wow, see ya.